Many surfaces inside your home are frequently touched by household members throughout the day. These areas are called high-touch surfaces. You can limit the transmission of dirt, bacteria, and viruses by following daily routines. Since the emergence of COVID-19, which is caused by a virus, practice cleaning and disinfecting to make your home a healthier place. Consider entryways. As a start, place doormats leading up to the entrance of your home to reduce the amount of dirt and contaminants brought inside. Other high-touch surfaces in this area can include locks, exterior doors and handles, doorbells, keys, and keychains or fobs. Select the right product to clean or disinfect. Cleaners remove surface dirt and foreign substances. Sanitizers eliminate some bacteria and viruses. Disinfectants can eliminate most bacteria and viruses. Remember, it is a two-step process. First, clean to remove surface dirt, then apply disinfectant. Cleaning alone will not disinfect viruses and surfaces. Disinfectants alone do not remove surface dirt. Read product labels before making purchases so you can tell the difference between cleaners, sanitizers, and disinfectants. When buying a disinfectant, look for the word disinfectant. Then, look for an EPA registration number on the label, which is a series of 6 or more numbers. These are found on the N list by the Environmental Protection Agency. The EPA expects all products on the N list to kill coronavirus SARS-CoV-2 when used according to label directions. Product labels describe the surfaces you can safely apply that product. Always follow directions on labels. Some products are applied directly to surfaces, while others are measured and mixed with water, then applied. Leave products on surfaces wet for the recommended time on the label. This is called contact or dwell time and usually lasts 3 to 10 minutes. Then, wipe the surface dry with a paper or clean towel. If you apply a product and wipe it dry right away, and don't wait for the contact time, it really isn't cleaned, sanitized, or disinfected. Start by washing your hands with soap and water and assemble your cleaning supplies. Be sure to wear non-latex gloves. Microfiber cloths have a texture that makes it easier to clean surfaces. You can also use clean towels or paper towels. Surface wipes should only be used to clean or disinfect surfaces. Hand wipes are designed to clean your hands. Look around your home to see high-touch items like light switches, plugs and outlets, pull chains for ceiling fans and lamps, cords for blinds and curtains, buttons, knobs, handrails, and door handles. Household electronics like cell phones are used frequently and may be shared. Electronics may be exposed to high amounts of pathogens and dirt, as they often leave home with us. Cell phones, tablets, laptops, the keyboard mouse, headphones, ports, and charging cords are among many electronics in common use. Follow the manufacturer's recommended cleaning procedures. In most cases, you can use alcohol-based wipes that are specifically designed for electronics. Pay attention to workspaces with desktops, drawers, bins and handles, the backs and armrests of chairs, printers and scanners, as well as scissors and hole punches. Backpacks that are used both at home and school should be cleaned periodically. Zippers on backpacks are best cleaned daily. Family or living rooms bring people together and items are shared, such as remotes, game controllers, electronics, toys, and exercise equipment. The kitchen is a popular hub and has appliances operated by touchpads, touchscreens, handles, knobs, and buttons. Clean and disinfect appliances like the stovetop, the range, the refrigerator, dishwasher, and microwave oven. Small kitchen appliances such as coffee makers and juicers may be touched quite often. Countertops, faucets, sinks, drawers, paper towel dispensers, reusable shopping bags, as well as pet feeding areas and accessories. The dining area is a place in the home where people eat and may use electronics. High-touch surfaces in this area are tabletops, chairs, and stools. Hampers should be disinfected whenever you empty clothing into the washing machine. Wash and dry bedding in hot water, detergent, and dry on high heat weekly. Laundry areas must be kept clean and disinfected, especially when a household member is ill. High-touch surfaces are the washing machine, dryer, iron, and laundry baskets. If anyone becomes ill, contaminated laundry should be washed and dried on high heat and separated from laundry from other household members. Wear gloves when handling contaminated laundry, and do not shake the laundry out before washing it. Bathrooms have many high-touch surfaces that require cleaning and disinfecting besides the toilet. Consider sinks and faucets, countertops, mirrors, the bathtub or shower, dental and hair appliances and products. Develop a daily routine to clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces to stay healthy. Check out the links below for more information on safe disinfectant use, caring for electronics, cleaning and disinfecting high-touch surfaces, as well as a template to create your own personalized list. For more questions on food, health, and sustainability, use the hashtag AskUConnExtension.